we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard a lot about AI lately, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. But did you know that there's a lot more to AI than meets the eye? In this video, we're going to uncover 10 things they're not telling you about the new AI. Now, you might be wondering why this topic is important or interesting. Well, AI is rapidly transforming the way we live and work. It's being integrated into various industries, from healthcare to finance, and it's even influencing our daily lives through social media algorithms and personalized recommendations. Understanding the true capabilities and limitations of AI is crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. So what can you expect to learn from this video? We'll start by debunking some common misconceptions about AI. You'll discover that AI is not as intelligent as you might think, and it's far from being able to replace human creativity and intuition. We'll also explore the ethical implications of AI, including issues like bias and privacy concerns. Next, we'll delve into the limitations of AI. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI still struggles with certain tasks, such as understanding context and sarcasm. We'll discuss the importance of human oversight and the potential risks of relying too heavily on AI systems. But it's not all doom and gloom. We'll also highlight some exciting advancements in AI, such as its potential to revolutionize healthcare and improve customer experiences. From diagnosing diseases to enhancing personalized recommendations, AI has the power to make a positive impact on our lives. So, if you're ready to uncover the truth about the new AI, hit that play button and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of AI's capabilities, limitations, and its impact on society. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way since its inception. The concept of AI can be traced back to the 1950s, when computer scientists began exploring the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. Over the years, AI has evolved and advanced, leading to the development of various applications and technologies that have transformed many industries. One of the biggest challenges associated with AI is the lack of transparency and explainability. AI algorithms are often seen as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. This lack of transparency raises concerns about bias and discrimination, as AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate existing inequalities. It is crucial to address these challenges and ensure that AI systems are fair, accountable, and transparent. Another obstacle is the ethical implications of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, questions arise about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. For example, facial recognition technology powered by AI has raised concerns about surveillance and invasion of privacy. It is important to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of society. Despite these challenges, AI presents numerous opportunities. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa have already transformed the way we interact with technology, making our lives more convenient and efficient. In the business world, AI can enhance decision-making processes, optimize operations, and improve customer experiences. Companies can leverage AI to analyze vast amounts of data and gain valuable insights that can drive innovation and growth. AI-powered chatbots are also being used to provide instant customer support and improve customer satisfaction. According to a report by Gartner, the global AI market is projected to reach $190 billion by 2025. This indicates the immense potential and growing interest in AI technologies. As AI continues to evolve, it is important to stay informed about the latest developments and understand the implications and opportunities it presents. In this video, we will uncover 10 things they're not telling you about the new AI. We will explore the limitations and challenges of AI, as well as the exciting advancements and opportunities it offers. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of AI and its impact on our lives. So let's dive in and discover the untold truths about the new AI. 1. AI is not infallible. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI is not perfect. It can make mistakes and is only as good as the data it is trained on. Understanding its limitations is crucial to avoid over-reliance and potential errors. 2. AI is not a replacement for human creativity. While AI can assist in generating ideas and content, it lacks the human touch and intuition that drives creativity. Human creativity is still essential for innovation and problem-solving. 3. AI is not unbiased. AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, leading to discriminatory outcomes. It is important to address bias in AI systems to ensure fairness and avoid perpetuating social inequalities. 4. AI is not a job killer. While AI may automate certain tasks, it also creates new job opportunities. It can augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on more complex and meaningful work. 5. AI is not just for big companies. AI tools and technologies are becoming more accessible and affordable, allowing small businesses and individuals to leverage their benefits. It is no longer limited to tech giants. 6. AI is not just about robots. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. It is not limited to physical robots, but can be embedded in software and systems. 7. AI is not a threat to humanity. Despite popular depictions in movies, AI is not inherently malevolent. It is a tool that can be used for both positive and negative purposes. Responsible development and regulation are necessary to ensure ethical use. 8. AI is not a crystal ball. AI can make predictions based on patterns in data, but it cannot predict the future with certainty. It is important to interpret AI-generated insights with caution and consider other factors. 9. AI is not a standalone solution. AI works best when combined with human expertise and domain knowledge. Collaboration between humans and AI can lead to more effective and innovative solutions. 10. AI is not static. AI is a rapidly evolving field, with new advancements and breakthroughs happening regularly. Staying updated with the latest developments and trends is crucial to harness its full potential. Remember, AI is a powerful tool that can enhance our lives and drive innovation. Understanding its capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications is essential for responsible and effective use. Let's dive deeper into the topic and explore different aspects and perspectives about 10 things. They're not telling you about the new AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize various industries and aspects of our lives. While there are many exciting advancements and opportunities associated with AI, it is important to critically examine the potential challenges and risks that come with it. One aspect that is often overlooked is the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, questions arise about the potential for bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are trained on large data sets, which can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases present in the data. For example, facial recognition technology has been found to have higher error rates for people with darker skin tones, leading to concerns about racial bias. It is crucial to address these issues and ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. Another aspect to consider is the impact of AI on the job market. While AI can automate certain tasks and improve efficiency, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Some argue that AI will lead to widespread unemployment, while others believe that it will create new job opportunities. It is important to have a balanced discussion about the potential impact of AI on different industries and the need for reskilling and upskilling to adapt to the changing job landscape. Privacy and security are also significant concerns when it comes to AI. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, including personal information, to make predictions and decisions. This raises questions about data protection and the potential for misuse or unauthorized access to sensitive information. Striking the right balance between utilizing data for AI advancements and protecting individual privacy is a complex challenge that requires careful consideration. As we explore the potential of AI, it is important to involve diverse perspectives and engage in open discussions. What are your thoughts on the ethical implications of AI? How do you see AI impacting the job market? What measures should be taken to ensure privacy and security in the age of AI? Share your insights and experiences in the comments section below. Let's continue the conversation and stay informed about the latest developments in AI. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly evolving field with immense potential and exciting advancements. However, it is important to understand the limitations and ethical implications associated with AI. AI is not a perfect solution and can be biased, requiring human oversight and intervention. Transparency and accountability are crucial to ensure fair and responsible use of AI systems. We explored 10 things they're not telling you about the new AI. We discussed how AI is not a replacement for human creativity and intuition, but rather a tool to enhance our capabilities. We also highlighted the challenges and opportunities associated with AI, including privacy concerns, job displacement, and the need for ethical guidelines. The key takeaways from this video are: 1. AI is not infallible. It can make mistakes and inherit biases from the data it is trained on. 2. Human oversight is essential. AI systems should be transparent, accountable, and subject to human intervention. 3. AI and job market. While AI may automate certain tasks, it also creates new job opportunities and enhances human productivity. 4. Ethical considerations. We must address the ethical implications of AI, including privacy, security, and fairness. 5. Collaboration between humans and AI. The best results are achieved when humans and AI work together, leveraging their respective strengths. By understanding these key points, you can make informed decisions about AI and its impact on your personal and professional life.